forming a geometric progression in which the third term is greater than. I think we completed this. Yes or no?
Sir, we have
Sir,
completed
except that
only
A
one.
is equal to
Start
1
with
minus 1, 2, you have substituted 2 values, didn't come. That one, sir.
Yes, already we completed that. Now let us do that question number 22 or 23, right? Question number 22, pth, qth, or I told you that you try these questions. I don't know how many of you tried. So anyhow, a pth, qth, or term of GP is ABC. AP is equal to A, AQ is equal to B, A, C is equal to, sorry, AR is equal to C. Am I right? Now, the question number 22nd is the given data. So what is the pth term? They given us A. What is the qth term? AQ is equal to B. What is the rth term? They given C. What shall we do here? We have to prove that A power Q minus R, B power R minus P, C power, like, okay. So what is APM? A R power
A R power P minus 1.
is equal to A. If I take the first term as A1, otherwise A alone you can take. A R power Q minus 1 is equal to B. A R power R minus 1 as C. Now see students, here take LHS. What is LHS, Amma? A to the power of?
Q minus R.
Sir, P minus Q into Q minus R into.
Yes. A to the power of Q minus R, B to the power of R minus P, am I right? C to the power of P minus Q. Okay, this I'm taking LHS. This is the LHS. I want to substitute ABC value. ABC already given. A R to the power of P minus 1, all to the power of Q minus R, and B to the power of R minus P, all to the power of, sorry. A R to the power of Q minus 1, all to the power of R minus P, and A R to the power of R minus 1, all to the power of P minus Q. Yeah, all of you simplify this. A R to the power of, multiply with this, P minus 1 into Q minus R into A R to the power of, so A to the power of, here A to the power of even Q minus R also, A to the power of R minus P also. So here R to the power of Q minus 1 into, multiply these two, R minus P, into A to the power
Sir,
of
why
P
you have
minus,
written 2 times Q minus R, sir?
where Q minus R.
2 times you have written, sir. There also and here also.
Yeah, here, look at here, A to the power of Q minus R to the power of P minus 1 into Q. There are two terms are there, A, B whole power M. It is like A power M, B power M, right? Now R to the power of R minus 1 into P minus Q. Is it clear, sir? So A, here base is same. You can add the powers A. When we are adding all this, A to the power of, we are going to get Q minus R plus R minus P plus P minus Q into R to the power of, same R to the power of, again here also, when you observe, here base is same, R. So adding the powers, so R to the power of, multiply this. When I multiply here, PQ minus PR minus Q plus R. Am I right? This is about the first one. Next, multiply this. Plus QR minus QP, and it means PQ, right in order, minus R, minus to minus plus P. Next, multiply these two. Plus PR minus QR minus P plus Q. So what do you observe, students?
Sir,
Everything
finally,
will get cancelled, sir.
a power 0 into r power 0, sir. So 1 into 1, 1.
Finally, all terms get cancelled. So finally, a power 0 into r power 0 is equal to 1. 1 into 1, 1. So is 1 is RHS. Therefore, LHS equal to RHS, hence proved. Right? Simple question. So next question number 23rd, if you observe that the first and nth term. First term is A1 is equal to A. Nth term is AN is equal to B respectively. If P is the product of n terms, prove that P square. Simple, students, this question. So what is the given data here?
First term, yes,
Given
sir.
first term is A,
Nth term is B, sir.
nth term is B. B nothing but what? Shall I write A r
AR
power
power minus
n minus 1 is B. Okay. So first term clearly A, nth term is B. Fine. What is the P? P is the product of n terms. Product of n term is first term,
A1.
sir. AR square, AR cube,
so on.
till AR power n minus 1.
Exactly, because first term, second term, third term, so on, nth term, the product of n terms. Okay, P is equal to, I want to write A at one place, A into A into A into so on. A how many times repeated? A is repeated how many times here? N times. A is repeated n times into remaining value is, what about remaining? R into R square into R cube into so on, R to the power of n minus 1. I have written all A values at one place, R values at other place. So now P is equal to A into A into A is repeated n times. Shall I write A power n? Okay, students.
Yes, sir.
When I take, see, base is same. We need to add the powers. Shall I write 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus so on plus n minus 1? Yes or no? Since we know that, what is the
Sir,
sum of the
n into n plus 1 by 2, sir. R power.
till n,
So
n
n by n
into,
minus 1 by 2.
exactly, till 1 plus 2 plus till n can be written as n into n plus 1 by 2, but here till n minus 1 alone. So in place of n, substitute n minus 1. Am I right? So B is equal to A power n into R to the power of, shall I write here n minus 1 into n minus 1 plus 1 all divided by 2. P is equal to A power n into, yeah, student, shall I write here R to the power of, here remaining value is what? Minus 1 plus 1 get cancelled, n into n minus 1 divided by 2. Is that clear? Clear?
Yes, sir.
But the question is, P square. This is P. Squaring on both sides. P square is equal to A power n the whole square into R to the power of n into n minus 1 by 2 the whole square. 2 to get cancelled. Now what shall we, how to do? P square is equal to, we have to prove that AB.
Sir,
P
AB
square is,
whole power n.
AB whole power n,
sorry,
sir. Not to
AB whole power n. Right. AB whole power n. See, shall I write here this A power n whole square can be written as A square whole power n? Clear? Shall I write here this R power n into n minus 1 as R power n minus 1 into whole power n?
Sir, first we can equate AB whole power n, sir. Then we can square P, sir.
Okay,
Then we
okay.
can do LHS equal to RHS, no, sir.
You want to take AB, you want to find AB separately. After that, you want to take whole power. Yeah, your wish.
Sir,
This
that
is
will be easier, no, sir.
easier. Yes. Compared to this, that is easier. This is also easy because we know very well. So this can be written as A square into R power n minus 1 whole power n. Because A power n, B power n can be written as AB whole power n. Okay, you may do like this. You can take AB and then you can P square, we got it here. After that, you can Take RHS, simplify, LHS equal to RHS. So this can be written as A square can be written as A into A R power n minus 1 whole power n. So P square is equal to finally A into, what is A into R power n minus 1? Yes,
Say B, sir.
that's all. Nth term, this is a nth term. Nth term is clearly equal to B. Got it? Clear, students? Any doubts here?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Right, simple question, right? Students, I'm going to give 1 or 2 questions or homework. You can do question number 24. 24 is a homework. And 26th is a homework. I'm going to explain it 25th because it is also easy, not at all difficult, but lengthy. It is a lengthy. Okay, let's see here.
Sir, we
This
can
was
take values of A as A, B as A R square and A R.
okay. A, B, C, D are in GP. See, students. Here we can write 3 equations. 3 equations we are going to write. What are those 3 equations in that? 25th, right. See, students, what are the terms they are given in GPA, B, C, D? Am I right? Is in GP. GP nothing but what is common ratio? Ma? Common
Sir,
ratio
B by A, C by B, D by C.
D by C. Am I right? Okay, when I take first these two, first two, what is the
B
equation
square is
where
equal to AC.
B square is equal to AC? Let us take. This is one, first equation. When I equate next to two, then
C square is equal to BD.
C square is equal to BD. When I equating that first and last, first and last,
AD equal to BC.
AD is equal to BC. Is it clear, students?
Sir, we can solve with this itself.
Yes. Okay, first I am going to take RHS here. RHS or LHS, no problem, you can take as LHS. LHS. What is LHS, students?
Sir, A square
Yes.
plus B square plus C square into
A square plus B square plus C square into B square plus C square plus B square. Am I right?
yes,
Now you can multiply A square B square plus A square C square plus A square D square. Like that, remaining 6. B4 4, B square C square plus B square D square plus B square C square plus C power 4 plus C square D square. Am I right, friends? Am I right?
yes, sir.
Fine. Let us take this is LHS, RHS. What is RHS? They given a. I want to take RHS.
Sir,
RHS is
AB plus BC plus CD the whole square.
AB plus BC plus
It is
CD.
of the form A plus B plus C whole square, sir.
Yeah, what is A plus B plus C whole scale formula? Anyone?
A square plus B square plus C square plus 2AB plus 2BC plus 2AC.
2AC or 2C, right? With help of this A square. So AB whole square plus BC whole square plus CD whole square plus 2 into AB into BC plus 2 into BC into CD plus 2 times of AB into CD. Right, Amma? So now
Yes,
this is equal to A square B square, B square C square plus C square D square plus 2 A B square C plus 2 b into c square d plus 2 a b c d. Right, students? Now find your
Sir,
so what
AP is equal to B square, sir.
a square c square. No, we don't have a square d square here. Oh, we don't have a. Oh, so sorry. C strange. Okay, b square d square. Yeah, b square d square. And here also some b square d square is there. And the next c square d square, one c square d square is there. Now remaining values we should equate if we can prove that it is equal to like this. Now, what about 2 into AB into CD? AB into CD, this can be written as, shall I write in place of AD is BC? Shall we replace?
Yes, sir, 2BC square.
So 2 BC square will get. And what about AC?
B square.
What about BD?
C square.
Right, now A square B square plus B square C square plus C square D square plus this is 2 into B power
4.
4 plus here 2 into C power
C square.
4 plus 2 into B square C square. Okay, students, so then what about here?
Sir, B square C square is equal to A square D square, sir.
Yeah, so see students, here only from this A square C square. Look at here, this one. A square C square shall I write as AC the whole square? Yes or no? AC nothing but what? B. B square. So B power 4 will get B power 4, B power 4. Okay, otherwise, A square B square plus B square C square plus C square D square plus B power 4 plus B power 4 plus C power 4 plus C power 4 plus 2 B square C square. So 2B square C square means, yeah, 2B square C square already is there. B square C square, 2B square, it is equal. Shall I write this one? See, we can do in many ways. So shall I write one of the B square as AC the whole square, B square the whole square? Shall I write like this? B square is nothing but AC square. B power 4 I have written here, B square the whole square. Very logically you have to do here. Okay, so AC square plus B power 4. In the same way, C square can be written as C square
BD
value,
whole square.
yeah, BD. So BD the square plus C power 4 plus 2B square C square. Now,
Sir, BD the whole square plus whole power 2 also is new to right now, sir.
B power,
No, sir, no, sir.
no. A square B square plus B square C square plus, is this B square C square?
3B square C square came there, sir.
Ah, yes, that only here. 2 will be there here, 1 will totally 3. Why don't you write 3 then? Simply 3. You can cancel it. Let's see in LHS also whether 3 B square C square are there or not, right? B square, this is 1, this is 2. Where is other one? Yes. Where is other one? This. What is A square D? AD whole square value is what? AD is equal to BC, no? Understood? Yeah, this is B square C square. Finally, we have to write after writing expanding this. Therefore, here LHS equal to RHS.
So instead of this, I have done it in another way.
Yeah, we can
Like
do
A is
another way.
equal to AB is equal to AR, C is equal to A square, AR square, B is equal to AR cube. So then I substitute it. Sir. Then I got the.
Oh, okay. In that way, yeah, in that way also we can do. As you said, there are four terms, sir. You can take AR square, AR cube, right? Take and simplify. We'll get surely because that time we'll get easily. This is another way. See students, don't confusing here. Even if you get sometimes you may or may not be get exact one. Simply you can write clearly there for LHS equal to RHS. Even as a faculty also they may not be checked, but whatever you're getting LHS your final step, the same step you have to write in RHS. Okay, they'll see just the final step. In between, we have to replace B square by AC, C square by BD, like that. It is, they don't know, they don't check each and like every point. It is not, we don't get sufficient time to check, but anyhow, you'll do like that. Okay, final therefore LHS equal to RHS. Hence proved. That's it. Actually, here we proved clearly LHS equal to RHS. You can do in the another way also. Clear students? Having any doubts? Right, you can try to do this question number 26. How many questions are there? Oh, many questions are there in this exercise. Nearly 32. Actually, this was deleted in last year. I think so. This year also deleted. I am going to post the deleted portion in your classroom once you can go through that. Right, Amma?
Sir, but already some portions are deleted now.
I've deleted that PDF file is there. I'll be post in your classroom. What are the exercises are deleted? What are the complete chapters are deleted? So what are the chapters are deleted again this year?
Binomial theorem, principle of
And
mathematical induction, and another I don't know, sir.
yeah, those two chapters they have deleted and mathematical reasoning also. In that remaining chapters also, few of the exercises are deleted. That I already having the data.
Yeah, trigonometric equations is removed, I think.
Yes. But as a JE student, you should be practice each and every. Even we will discuss that binomial theorem. Also, not NCRT. Will go directly for MJ. Okay, students. Right. Next, find the value of n so that a power n plus 1 plus b power n plus 1 by a power n plus b power n may geometric between this. The same question they have given even
AP.
AP also. Am I right? This is
Sir, in
9
that n
point.
equal to 1,
Yeah. Here, what is that n value? Yeah, already everyone having ideas here. A power n plus b power, but here n plus 1. That is the only difference. So all of you do it fast. This tell me what is the value of n here. So geometric mean nothing but what? Root AB. A power m plus 1 plus, oh sorry, a power n plus 1, b power n plus 1 by a power n plus b power n is equal to root AB. Now you have to simplify and tell me for what value this you can cross multiply. For what value of n both will be equal. Generally it is a, if it is a objective question, what is your answer, Amma?
Substitute and find, sir.
2, 0, 1, 2, like that, sir.
Yeah, tell me the answer. I'm asking your answer. Students, answer fastly.
Calculate.
Sometimes, if you substitute n is equal to 0 plus or minus 1 plus or minus 2, you may not be get that equal. Some cases. That time you have to do very carefully, right?
I think answer will be in fractions.
Maybe. Fastly, because this kind of questions you have to practice and
Sir, I have a doubt, sir.
yeah,
Sir, what is a power negative 1 by 3?
a to the power of
Negative.
a power negative 1 by 3 means so in
It's
this case we
imaginary
can't.
value.
No, we can't say. Why we can say it is imaginary?
Sir, 1 by a power 3, sir.
1 by a power 1 by 3, not a power 3. A power minus 1 by 3 is 1 by a power 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3. Okay. Why? While simplifying, you are getting any a power minus 1 by 3 like that.
Sir, if we take n equal to 1 by 3, we are getting like that only.
N is equal to 1. Yeah. That's only. Sometimes we may get fractions. So what is that fraction? Is n is equal to minus 1 by 3 is the answer? Then check it here. And when you substitute n is equal to minus 1 by 3, are you going to get root AB? Just see squaring on both side, cross multiply. You have to take like uh, like same like AP. Whatever you done AP, the same way we can do here. Sometimes that may be in that we got n is equal to 1 directly, like just a moment, you can try this question. Srikanth sir is calling me.
Muted, sir.
Sir, you are muted.
Okay, students. Yeah, what is n value?
minus 1 by 2, right?
Minus 1 by 2. Okay, I'll check it once. A power minus 1 by 2 plus 1 plus b power minus 1 by 2 plus 1 by a power minus 1 by 2 plus b power minus 1 by 2. So numerator is your a power plus 1 by 2 plus b power plus 1 by 2 by a power minus 1 by 2 means 1 by a power 1 by 2 plus 1 by b power 1 by 2. So now take LCM here. Here when we take LCM, you know, a power 1 by 2 plus b power 1 by 2 by LCM is a power 1 by 2 into b power 1 by 2. So here b power 1 by 2 plus a power 1 by 2, this get cancelled these two. This will becomes numerator, that is root AB. Right. Absolutely right, students. N is equal to minus 1 by 2 is absolutely right. Clear, students? This we can try. Okay, otherwise I'll explain in next class. So next question, also simple question. The sum of two numbers, like if I take any two numbers a comma b, this is equal to 6 times of their geometric means 6 times of root AB. Now squaring on both sides, so a plus b whole square is equal to same 36 AB. Now you can find a comma b values we need to find. After that, a is to b. That's it. Okay, the ratio already given. That's it, like that. So this is a plus b whole square. Then you can find a minus b whole square. Like find a comma b. That ratio of a comma b, we have to prove that this value. Okay, students.